This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Operate the bonnet release lever, which is located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet security catch by lifting it upwards, then raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop. Locate the prop to hold the bonnet securely in its open position. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels. Note the mark indicating the jacking point. Position a piece of split hose, as shown, to protect the sill. Raise the vehicle using a jack. Position axle stands, then lower the vehicle. Remove the jack from the sill. Remove the 8 screws that hold the under tray in place. The under tray can now be unclipped and lowered. Remove the under tray from underneath the vehicle. Before starting this procedure, gather all the necessary tools and materials. Make sure that you have plenty of clean rags and newspapers handy to mop up any spills. Position a container under the vehicle to collect the drained oil. Note the position of the drain plug. Using a socket and ratchet or a ring spanner, slacken the drain plug about half a turn. Ensure that the draining container is directly underneath the drain plug. Then remove the plug completely. The seal is integral with the drain plug. Consequently, the plug must be renewed. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening and fit the new plug. Tighten the drain plug to the specified torque, then clean the area of any oil using a rag. Remove the drain container from under the drain plug. Note the position of the oil filter. On 1.6 litre engine codes BGU, BSE and BSF, the canister type filter is accessed from below, on the front of the cylinder block. Place the drain container underneath the oil filter. To remove the canister type oil filter, use a strap type tool or a claw type tool and slacken the filter initially. Now unscrew the oil filter by hand the rest of the way. Empty the oil in the filter into the container. Clean the mounting surface using a rag. Apply a light coating of clean engine oil to the sealing ring on the new filter, then screw it into position on the engine. Tighten the filter firmly by hand only. Do not use any tools. Remove the dipstick and then unscrew the oil filler cap from the cylinder head cover. Place a funnel in position to help reduce spillage, then fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is above the minimum mark on the dipstick. The level will be between the max and min mark. Remove the funnel and refit the oil filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a few seconds delay before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before the pressure builds up. Check for leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Position the tray under the vehicle. Raise the tray and clip the front of the cover into position. Secure the tray by refitting the 8 screws. Fit a piece of split hose to protect the sill. Jack up the vehicle, remove the axle stands, lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels and don't forget to remove the piece of split hose from the sill at the jacking point. Finally, recheck the level on the dipstick then remove the oil filler cap and use a funnel to top up with oil, bringing the level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Remove the funnel and refit the oil filler cap. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet. Clip the prop into its stay. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.